Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Part two, the person is still having trouble, and this is I asked him for the file. And this would actually work, but there's double lines, which I don't really understand. So I'm going to fix it one way, but I'm going to try to go to contour and contour the outside, and it doesn't really work. So I'm going to just try to start from scratch. Let me set this duplicate distance on like 3 inches. And for the one I'm doing it for, or that's your nudge, set your duplicate distance on 0, 0. You'll be a lot happier. And then save that as default. So we're just going to make this new font. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill that in and then just nudge them up. And by doing this, now I'm just going to have a single line. So I'm going to take them all and I'm going to left click, no fill, right click, outline. Then I'm going to go to object and group them together. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to, let me nudge it up a little bit more. Tell you what, let's get it off the page so that line won't interfere. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to contour to the outside. Let's go 0.4. And it gives us that contour that's too much, but we can reduce it. But if you don't mind this space and you don't mind that space, you don't have to do anything more. But what I would suggest, and maybe show somebody, you get rid of this space by taking your 2-point line and go from that to there. And then you could change that too, but I don't think it needs to. And what I'm going to do now is what I would normally do, take a rectangle, fill that in and nudge it up, and then fill that in and nudge it up. And then I can left click, right click, and then I can actually move it down. Let me break the contour apart. And let me just get rid of the contour. So we have our text. There's the line I drew. And now we have this new contour that has lost that spot at the bottom, but it still has a spot at the top. Now, if that's too much, you can take that line and go the opposite. And let's go to the inside, 0.2. And that's a little, I mean, it's just personal preference. Go up to object, break the contour part, and actually grab the inner one and move it down or over. Let's move it down, shorter distance. And then let's take our text again, smart fill it, move it down, 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 down. And I do not know if they're printing or engraving this, but there you have the text or just around the text itself. Now, if that's too much, I think it looks pretty cool. But if it's, I would strongly suggest going up here and making this red if this was going to be a cut line. And like you could have done the same thing with here, taking that out. But I really think this is kind of cool. Now, unless it's a sticker, if it's a sticker that might peel right there, just do the exact same thing again with the 2-point line and kind of go from that, kind of make it even. And then do the same thing that we did with the, let me get rid of all this. Take a rectangle. Let me set my nudge factor on 4, 6. That way we don't have to nudge but one time. Take that, fill it in and nudge it. Fill that in and nudge it. And then left click, right click in red. And then we can take our text. I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to make a copy of that and move it over here so we can just see the difference in the lineage. And then I'm going to get my rectangle and get rid of it. I'm going to grab my text and move it up twice, up twice, up twice, up twice, up twice, up twice. Now we can kind of see the difference. Well, there's that line I had to draw. So if you wanted that line gone, I personally like it with it. But if it was the sticker and you're afraid it's going to break right there or peel off, I have no clue what they're doing with it. But if it's still too much, you can still contour more in. If you're wanting to, just take it and try it one more time, grab that line and contour like 0.1 to the inside. And then you have quite a bit less of a contour. Always go to object and break the contour part. Then most of the time you could take the outside contour, get rid of it, and then I would change this to red. Red to me signifies a cut line. I personally like the other one better that I just did, but it's personal preference. Anyway, I hope that finally answered their question, and thank you for watching.